Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy avocado banana smoothie. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, 1 ripe banana, and about 1 cup of your favorite liquid, like milk or water. For a touch of sweetness, have some honey or maple syrup ready. Don't forget your blender, measuring cups, and a nice glass to enjoy your delicious creation. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Take your ripe avocado and carefully peel it, then remove the large pit from the center. Once peeled, roughly chop the creamy avocado flesh into smaller, easy-to-blend pieces. Next, grab your ripe banana, peel it, and break it into 2 or 3 sections. These steps ensure everything blends smoothly and quickly. It's time to bring everything together in your blender. First, add the chopped avocado and the banana pieces. Then, pour in your 1 cup of milk or water. If you like a sweeter taste, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy. Congratulations, your easy avocado banana smoothie is ready. Carefully pour the thick, green smoothie into your serving glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a thin slice of banana or a sprinkle of chia seeds on top. This refreshing and nutritious drink is best enjoyed immediately to savor its creamy texture and fresh flavors. Cheers to your healthy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.